Hey there, it's Claire. Welcome to our channel for Chinese food where we transform complicated cooking into easy and fun experiences. Today, we will create magic with several tasty dishes. Are you ready? So, let's get started. Did you like our show today? Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share our program with your friends. Don't worry if you can't find some ingredients. You can always replace specific vegetables or spices, like Chinese 13 spice powder or Cajun spice, with similar items you have. Keep your eyes on this channel, as we'll keep bringing you more exciting content. Bye for now.